Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload attachments such as TXT files, Word files, PDF files, images, and so on and so forth to your conversations and chats on Qwen AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your account on Qwen AI, and no matter if you start a new chat or navigate to one of your past conversations, you will see this plus button next to the text or request field here at the bottom, right? Click into it, and then before you send your command here by entering or typing the text here, before you do that, click into this plus button, select upload attachment. As you can see, file, image, video, audio. Navigate to it on your device and upload it to use it for context. Now, of course, there's the option to send the attachment only without any additional text, and then Qwen AI will simply react to it, and if it's a text document, for example, read the content. But it's optional, but I usually provide also extra or additional instructions here by, for example, I don't know, conduct a summary or summarize the following text, or describe what you see in the given JPEG or PNG file format image, and so on and so forth. It may also be helpful to enter the entire file name, like for example, using these symbols, and then you have, for example, image.png, for example, and so on and so forth, and then provide the instructions. Please describe what you see in the following file, right? You don't need to, or you don't have to do this. It's not mandatory, but I usually do it to help Qwen AI and these language models in general in their task, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.